Hello friends! In today's short video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear light bulbs on a first-generation Honda CR-V. This is a simple job that doesn't require any special tools. And even if you're doing it for the first time, you should be able to complete it in just a few minutes. First, open the tailgate and look at the inside of the rear taillight. To access the bulbs, we need to remove the entire taillight assembly. You'll see 3 mounting bolts holding it in place. Take a ratchet with a 10mm socket and carefully remove all 3 bolts, one at a time. Keep the bolts somewhere safe so they don't get lost. Once all 3 bolts have been removed, gently pull the taillight straight toward you. Don't twist it or pull it sideways, because the assembly is still held in place by guide clips. These clips simply slide out of their mounting holes, so with a gentle and even pull, the taillight should come free without much effort. Now that the taillight has been removed, you'll have easy access to the bulb sockets on the back of the assembly. To remove a bulb socket, simply turn it counterclockwise until it unlocks. Then pull it out. This gives you direct access to the bulb. If the bulb needs to be replaced, hold it firmly and pull it straight out of the socket. It comes out very easily, and no additional tools are required. Take the new bulb and push it straight into the socket until it is fully seated. Make sure it fits securely before reinstalling the socket into the taillight. Next, place the bulb socket back into the taillight and turn it clockwise until it locks into position. Before reinstalling the taillight assembly, check that all of the guide clips are straight and properly aligned with their mounting holes. Finally, line up the guide clips with the holes in the body of the vehicle and push the taillight straight back into place. Once it is sitting evenly and flush with the body, reinstall the 3 10mm bolts and tighten them securely. There's no need to over-tighten them. Just make sure the taillight is firmly held in place.